Hello guys and welcome back to Techie Screw channel. Today we are going to be learning how to unblock someone on Messenger. Unblocking someone on Messenger involves a few simple steps. Here's a step-by-step guide. First of all, open the Messenger app. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on gear icon that is setting. Tap on it. Scroll down. You can see here privacy and safety. Tap on it. In privacy and safety, scroll down. You can see here blocked accounts. Tap on it. In the blocked people section, you will see a list of people you have blocked. Find the person you want to unblock in the list. Tap on their name to view their profile and tap on unblock. You have successfully unblocked the person. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.